Hi, I'm Michael Mizrahi. Join me this March at the Tovar Poker for the Grinder Poker Series. Well, the best advice I can give you is stay off my table.